Austin here speaking, and in this video I'm going to be showing you different strategies in which you can make money from your UK TikTok account. So since you've gotten your UK TikTok account from me, then uh based on my promise, I promised I was going to share different ways in which you can make money from your TikTok account, isn't it? So this is me showing you the ways. So to get started, these are the benefits, and before you can get to this page on your TikTok account, go to your profile. Let me go back. When it goes to your profile, on the top right corner, those three lines there, click on it, then to bring you to this page, isn't it? Then from this page, click on this place where it says TikTok Studio, right? So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page next. So you scroll down and you click on benefits. Can you see? When you click on this benefit, it take you to this page So this is where you will see all the benefits you have on your UK TikTok account, and this benefit will be unlocked for you once you clock each of these stages of followers. So once you get to 1k or 1000 followers, you'll be able to work with artists. Do you understand? So you can work with artists and promote their songs and get paid. Another way you can make money is from video gifts. People can gift you based on your video. That is, you might just post a video content and people will gift you from the video content you posted. Do you understand? And that way you can make money is branded mission. You can ignore this one. So once you get to 10,000 followers, then you can now make money from all these other ones, which is playlist, creator reward program, which is the most important one, this one, then creator marketplace. Do you understand? And that way you can make money again is through subscription on your page. People can subscribe to your, what's it called, your premium content. Let's say you have premium content that you don't want to share to everyone. You can create a subscription page whereby people subscribe to join your subscription, and then you make money that way. It can be monthly, it can be, any amount you feel to charge for your premium content. Do you understand? And that way to make money is live, going live, and people gifting you and all that. Then the last one, which is TikTok shop for sellers. These are different ways you can make money from your UK TikTok account. Do you understand now? Most Nigerian, in fact, all Nigerian TikTok accounts is not going to have all these benefits. If you check your Nigerian TikTok account, you're not going to see all these benefits there. But because you are getting a UK TikTok account, you're going to be seeing all these benefits there. Do you understand? So these are the different ways in which you can make money from your UK TikTok account. And not just that alone, there are other several ways which I'm going to be sharing with you shortly. Do you understand? But then let me break down the most important parts from this thing. The most important ones are these ones that I've just circled now: working with artists, video gifts, creator rewards, then live rewards, and this other one here. These are the major ways you can make huge amounts of money from your UK TikTok account. You understand? So once you get to 1000 followers, you'll be able to unlock these ones here. Once you get to 10,000 followers, you'll be able to unlock all these other ones here. Do you understand? So that is us. So another way you can make money that I've listed now is affiliate marketing. Do you understand? You can affiliate for people. Do you understand? Create videos revolving around any affiliate product, and you put a link. Do you understand? So that you can put the link maybe on your bio. So let's say you review a gadget or an appliance or a beauty product or a book or a software. You can tell people to click on your bio or the link on your bio to purchase that particular item. And once they make a purchase through your link, you get a commission. Do you understand? That's what we call affiliate marketing. Do you understand? So you have the opportunity to make money through affiliate marketing with your TikTok account. Another way you can make money with your TikTok account is by selling a digital product. So you can create a digital product, and the interesting part about creating a digital product, you can even use AI to create an ebook or a AI prompt or a Z sheet or an online course. Do you understand? Something you are good at. You can just create a course around it and then sell to your audience. There's another way you can make money from your TikTok account. And that way you can make money is by promoting your own service. Do you understand? Depending on what you can do. If you're the type that you can create a website, or you have the skill of Google Ads or Instagram or Facebook or TikTok ads, you can create a course around what and sell it to people. Do you understand? Sell it to your audience. And that is another way to make money. You can consult. They say you're a business consultant. You can consult for businesses and charge them and make money from your TikTok account. Do you understand? And that way you can make money is creator reward. I think I've talked about this in the first chat I showed you earlier on. You're going to make money from your creator reward. So once you um, reach 10,000 followers, you'll be able to apply for creator rewards, whereby TikTok is going to be paying you based on the number of views and likes or comments you have on your videos. Do you understand? So that's another way to make money from your TikTok account. And lastly, another way to make money is for you to build a team page and sell a high ticket offer. Do you understand? So you can create a high ticket offer based on the things you know. It can be on personal finance, AI tools, business idea, luxury lifestyle, productivity, just grow an audience around what you know, then monetize by selling any of your courses or your coaching or your memberships. Do you understand? And then people are going to pay you for it. These are the same thing that most of my students are doing, and then they're cashing out big time from it. Do you understand? So these are the several ways in which you can make money from your TikTok account. I've mentioned about the creator program. I've mentioned about you selling your service, or you creating a digital product, and then what else? Affiliate marketing as well. So these are the different ways you can make money. And then people gifting you maybe on your TikTok live, or you creating a video and it goes viral and people start to like pay or send you gifts on your comment section or from your videos. Do you understand? So those are the various ways you can make money from your TikTok account. Do you understand? So I want you to apply all these strategies and utilize them very well. Do you understand? That being said, if you want a strong and verified PayPal account, maybe to withdraw your TikTok earnings or your TikTok funds, you can contact me and I will help you set up a functional PayPal account that you can use to withdraw your funds without issues. Do you understand? So whenever you make money from your TikTok account, from your UK TikTok account, you can contact me and I'll help you create a strong PayPal account to withdraw your TikTok earnings. Or maybe you want to receive payment from abroad, or anyone who was planning to send you payment, you can contact me to get a functional PayPal account. And this functional PayPal account, you can use it to receive payments from anywhere around the world. And not just that alone, I'll also give you guidelines and instruction on how you can um, avoid any kind of limitation on the account. Alongside, I will show you how you can withdraw your funds from that PayPal account to your Nigerian bank account without issues. Do you understand? So once your funds land on your PayPal account, then from your PayPal account, you can withdraw to your Nigerian bank, and I'll show you all that after you get your own PayPal account from me. Okay, the fee is just 50,000 naira. Do you understand? So contact me if you need a strong and verified PayPal account that you can use to withdraw your TikTok earnings or receive payment from anywhere around the world. You can also use this TikTok account to pay for stuffs or items online without issues. Alright, so see you in the inside. If you have any question, you can send me a DM and I'll respond to you. Okay, see you in the inside.